Hi everyone, Bastien here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your personal email to HubSpot. Why should you care? Because you're like me, I guess. You want everything inside the same place. And in this video, I've got a few jokes for you. Your email should be unique, not shared with anyone inside the team. Not for that. It's the one you use for customer interaction and closing deals for you. Once your email is connected inside HubSpot, it will be like having a smartphone. You have everything you need. So you will have a smart spot. You get it? Okay, that's cool. Let's dive in. Okay, so go to your HubSpots, go on the top right setting, click on email over there, and now you can connect personal email. You see, you will be able to send and schedule emails from HubSpot, log email replies, and suggest follow-up tasks and capture contact details from your emails. Click on connect personal email. I recommend you to turn on inbox automation. What inbox automation means, they will automatically capture and update the contact inside your CRM. So you don't need to create the contact manually by yourself. It will be done automatically. You can also deactivate it later if you want, but I really recommend to use this inbox automation. Now you can click on connect your inbox, add your email, click on next, connect to Gmail. All set now. You can also download the extension. It will add some features inside your Gmail or Outlook. Here, I click on no thanks. Now you see you have your email. And if I go on HubSpot contact, I can click on email over there. And here you have access to your email. And so you can send an email directly from HubSpot without going back to your Gmail account, for example. And there you have it. You're all set. You can now send your one-to-one email from HubSpot without going to your inbox. The replies will be automatically logged inside your HubSpot. And now you save a ton of times. When you go back to a contact or a company record, for example, you will see all your conversation from your inbox inside HubSpot without going to your inbox, search for that email, that document, and everything. You have everything inside HubSpot. And that's like magic.